Thank you muno. Our governor Irugwa Kangata na munini waku. CS zara matushiria muthenya wa umuthi, CS wa githomo na CS wa public service. Na MP zara meguku tutongoretio ni Betie Sawa, Senator Joe, Idona Chairman wa Economic Forum ya Murang'A County, MCAs aitwothe na CCs othe a county na aciari na Ruto muriega. Ngeithia itunga-inĩ mwega na hĩndĩ ciothe niĩ ndikwaria muno wakwa wa mbere nĩ gũcokia ngatho cia mwanya kwĩ gavana Irũngũ wa Kang'ata kwamba kwaria na Gĩkũyũ njoke njarie na Gĩthũri guo CS witũ Macogu aigũre nguga nĩ tondũ wa kũnyitĩrĩra ciana na nĩ ngwenda kuona ciana iria cirĩ gũkũ mũthenya wa mũthenya marĩ beneficiaries. Where you are the beneficiaries, let me see you by your hands. Watoto mmefika? Let me see your hand. Up kabisa ni waone. Hebu pigieni gavana makofi mazuri. What I want to tell you, education is the only equalizer. Na mimi leo sijakuja kuongea siasa, nataka kuwazungumzia nyinyi. Ili niwaambie hii nafasi ambayo mmepewa na gavana ni nafasi ya muhimu sana. Wale wako secondary miaka ni 4 tu, and 4 years can change your life. Mumenisikiza vizuri? So when you go to school, don't think about the problems that are at home because you already have school fees. Sisi wengine wetu tulilelewa hapa. I went to Kenyona Primary School, nikamalizia Matu Primary School, nikaenda Mogoiri Girls High School. Kumaliza nikaenda University of Nairobi. Na mimi hata nikienda shule sikuwa na viatu za kuvaa. But because of God's faithfulness, alinifungulia milango mingi sana. Kutoka Mogoiri kwanza nilikuwa house girl. Kutoka hapo nikafanya degree ya walimu. Mimi ni mwalimu. Na kutoka hapo nikafanya masters. Na sasa wakati huu nimefanya PhD naitwa Dr. Sabina. Kutoka Kenyona. Mumenisikia vizuri wanafunzi? So I want to beg you, forget about the problems that are at home. Netondo kainia tutagamuthini kiara-ini agekatia. Makarianira naki. Tacokera ire ngainia tutagamuthini ki. Agakatia. Akamwambia makarianira ki. Ni wanafunzi wangapi hapa wana believe? How many of you believe that you can become great? Ati siku moja nyinyi mmekaa hapa, siku moja mtakaa pale. I want to see the faith that you have. So I want to encourage you. You are seated here today, but in very few, not many years, around 15 or even 10, mnaweza kuwa mmekaa pale kwa wadosi. So I want to pray for you that as you go back to school, may God protect you. May you also go and progress in school very well. Musome kwa bidii. Hakuna kitu kingine. Wacha niende kwa wazazi. Asheri muriega. Gaine mwega. Na hinde ciothe. Gavana nĩ rutĩte wĩra mwega kana ndarutĩte? Inyuĩ na inyuĩ aciari heirwo gavana wega. Mũhũre inyuĩ. Ngũmũhoya kĩndũ kĩmwe. Maũndũ nĩ maritũhĩte mũno thĩinĩ wa bũrũri witũ. Ati tondũ wa kĩ maũndũ nĩ maritũ. Mwarĩrie ciana cianyu. Tondũ gavana nĩ aruta school fees, wĩra wanyu nĩ kũmatara na kũmarĩria. Tondũ rĩa maumagara nĩ mũrathiĩ magacemania na mogwati, makarutwo maũndũ mangĩ matarĩrĩa inyuĩ aciari mũtamarutĩire mũno makĩria mũhoyagĩre ciana. Mũrĩ mũhoyagĩra? Hoerai ciana cianyu nĩguo nginya mĩrango mĩingĩ thiĩ kĩmahingũkagĩra. Ciana ici mũrona haha mũthenya wa mũthenya ũgakũheo bursary. Mwana ũyũ no agatũma mũthenya ũmwe hihi we wĩingĩre ndege ũthiĩ Rũraya ũkamuone kũu na bamĩrĩ yake. Nĩ mwĩtĩkĩtie ũguo ciana? Nĩ mũhoyagĩra ciana? Nĩ mũmarathimaga? Niĩ ngũmũhoya mũhoere ciana cianyu mũkamataraga, mũkamaragĩria na wendo mũnene mũno, na nĩ njũĩ mũthenya ũmwe nĩ ũgacenjia tondũ tugaga atĩrĩrĩ Ngai no akũrute from agũtue you become. Okorwo nĩ wĩtĩkĩtie ta ino ũguo Ngai no andute from adue you become. Ngai witũ amũrathime mũno. Wa mwisho ngwenda kwarĩria our CS Macogu. Unajua siku moja mimi nilikuwa mwenyekiti wa education. Kwanza ni kukushukuru kwa kazi ambayo mnafanya na rais ya nchi ya Kenya haswa wakati wa masomo. I know we have a new system ambayo sasa imekuwa iko na challenges kidogo. I want to encourage you CS, work closely with the people within the education sector. Please make sure that this system works and do not tire. Where things are not working, be ready to say things are not working and seek for advice and change. But most importantly, let us clear this issue about the junior secondary school. Let us have our teachers well paid. Let us also make sure that our students wako na nafasi ya kusoma vizuri. I know now they are transitioning to secondary school. My comment will be CS. Kwa sababu ya many challenges ambazo tuko nazo, maybe in your ministry, and I'm just saying maybe you can come up with one single uniform ambayo itavaliwa na watoto wa junior secondary school, ili hizi challenges za wazazi ambao watanunua uniform nyingine ziende chini kidogo, because you know we are facing hard times and so we need to take care of our children. Secondly, let us disperse the money for the schools on time. I know our principals are doing a good job and the management of the school. If we prioritize education, I only say, like what Nelson Mandela said, that education is the only equalizer. So for us to empower the children of the poor people, we need to make sure that we prioritize education in the country. We make sure hawa watoto wakienda shule hawatafukuzwa, kwa sababu mtoto wa maskini hata akienda shule mwalimu amwambia rudi nyumbani, anaenda nyumbani kufanya nini? Heke dwagira moshi. Kama mzazi hana, mwingine amechukua basari. I also want to plead with our principals. Hawa watoto wakienda shule, tafadhali do not chase them away. Give them time, give the parents time, give the government time, but I'm very sure hawa ndio watakuwa wakishikilia kesho. Niego kinya hau ndiko ndakorie muno, ndiko ndakorie cia siasa muthenya wa umuthi, tondu mukio nie ndari wa Azimio, twahecire kirima twakinya hari iguru tugitenderuka hakigwa. Agicora kamuru nie murathekerera. Baga yene nyu gutire itheru. Ninyu mwandikire oguo. Ati aca. Ndea. Ndemutio ndagira tigwa cia muthe. No ni hari tamenya atumia gatwake twathiangite. Ate mundu he andu akinya kirima ine tempa itigacenjia nikio twatenderukire tukigwa. No Ngai agitwa ki? O Ngai niguo. No tondu mwenye ndi mbeu ya Ngai tugaga mbeu ya Ngai ndiumaga. Mbeu ya Ngai. Mbeu ya Ngai ndi. Mbeu ya Ngai ituradio. Nimutirake radio kuo. Ani ndoigire tondu wa Kang'ata na timu yake yothe ya UDA ni macindire na ngiuga asiekubali mushindwa si he bata kurehe mbara. Tetu tureke thirikari irute wira. Na ndio ndoigire mliniona nikiwa Nakuru na nilikuwa na MCA wangu wote wa Jubilee. Sisi, we are not fighting for the government, but we work for the government so that you also benefit. Kana tiko. Hivyo ndio tulisema, so niko nominated na Jubilee na niko katika National Assembly. Kazi yangu ni kuwatetea nyinyi. Nimekora ndimutetagire. Haria hii mugambo tagikinya ni ngwaria toro ndigwetigira na ni njui ni gukwagira. Maundu ni maritu muno, no tunginyitana tongo gavana areka. MC arute wira wake, MP arute wira wake, na ithuĩ turute wira witũ, CSS marute wira wao, ithuĩ gũtikwagira andũ aitũ. Koguo tũhoere Ngai mũno, he kaũndũ ndĩrathomire Bibilia ndĩrona. Atĩ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ciana cia Isiraeli ciathire werũ-inĩ, mangĩathire na thabarĩ yao thikũ 40. No nĩ tondũ wa kũnegena mũno rĩ, mathiũrũrũkirio handũ nĩ Ngai mĩaka 40. Nĩ tũkwenda bũrũri witũ ũthiũrũrũke? Tũhoere bũrũri witũ, tũhoere atongoria aitũ marute wĩra na tũthiĩ na mbere kũnyitanĩra. Ngai witũ amũrathime na mwacoka mũciĩ. Nĩ mũgũtwara ngeithi cia Sabina. Ndũkĩnjĩke ũguo nĩguo gĩtwara ũneane ngeithi icio oya ũguo. Aya mwena ũyũ oya ũguo. Ngai witũ amũrathime, asanteni sana.
Hurei makofi, pigeni makofi mzuri. Sasa ningependa kuchukua hii nafasi kuita waziri wetu, Waziri Moses Kuria, jaba ya rurere, hurei makofi, ageuka gutwarithia. Karibu sana Waziri CS Moses Kuria. Karibu sana waziri.